Hi, this is Marieta Oslanec, founder of ImmigrationBIz, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to start your business from abroad if you are not in the US but you also want to start your business because you are planning to apply for E2 visa. Number one thing you can do is to start your LLC. Now the difference between LLC and C Corp is that if you are a small business owner and it's just you or you are two people, we recommend to do partnership. So there is a single taxation, and you can also elect the option to be taxed as C Corp. Number two option would be to start and incorporate C Corp, but this is for bigger companies and there is double taxation, so you want to consider this when you're starting your company. Number two, you file articles of incorporation online, and it's important that you pick a state where you like to incorporate. For example, if you pick a Delaware, there is a different taxes, whereas when you incorporate in California there is always franchise tax, so you have to consider whether you have business that is online or you have a business that has actually physical location. If you're doing business in physical location, then you're going to incorporate in that state. However, if you're doing business online, then you can incorporate your business in, for example, Delaware, which has better taxation options for you. So then you start your company, you incorporate online. Number three, before you do so and you file articles of incorporation, it's important to do name search, because you have to make sure that there is no entity that is going to be named as you want to name your LLC, because otherwise you won't be able to incorporate this business. So you have to double check if the name is available. Once you find out that the name is available, then you're good to go and you can proceed to the step number 4. And the step number 4 is to create, of course you pay the fee, so you have to double check what is the fee in that particular state where you are incorporating. It can be anywhere from 50 to 200, sometimes 300, it really depends. Usually you can send out check or you can pay by credit card if you are incorporating online. Some states, for example, California doesn't allow you to incorporate online, so you have to file these articles via regular mail. When you're done filing your articles of incorporation, then you're going to draft operating agreement. And operating agreement is a contract between you and your entity and possibly your business partner. So you can also download this operating agreement online. There are some samples. I'm going to post a link for you, or you can check out our blog where we talk about operating agreement as well. So you're going to draft your operating agreement, and this is very important because oftentimes businesses, they don't draft their operating agreement, and then eventually in the future there is a problem for you guys. So I really recommend that you take care of this, and if you don't know how to draft it, just hire a lawyer for that, and it's not going to cost you that much money. Once you have your operating agreement, and you need to apply for AIN number, AIN or FAIN, which is the tax ID for your company. Once you have your AIN, you have operating agreement, and you have received the certificate of incorporation from the Division of Corporations, then you take all this documentation and you're going to go to the bank account personally and you're going to open the bank account over there. If you are not physically present, in the US, you have to fly for that matter to the US. So this is what you do, and this is how you can open your company from abroad, even though you are not in the US. And so you can start the business online, you can start, your company is active, and then it's great for you if you want to eventually apply for E2. And that being said, I encourage you to download free ebook if you like, how to get E2 investor visa to the US. If you go to ImmigrationBIz.com, you can just put your name and email and you get the free ebook. I hope you like this video. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and have a wonderful day.